Good day everyone, today we will be discussing chapter 7 which is about quality management in HR project. This topic is important because it ensures that the HR activities meet standards and satisfy employees' needs. In this discussion, we will learn about the different aspects of quality management and how they help improve both employee satisfaction and overall organizational success. First question, what is quality management and why it's important in HR projects? Provide an example to support your explanation. So, quality management is that the process of ensuring that a project will meet a certain standard and stakeholders' expectation. It is important in HR project because it enhances trust and credibility in the workforce and minimize wasted resources and rework of previous efforts. So, for instance, when a training workshop is introduced by the HR department, quality management helps ensure that the training materials and facilitation techniques employed are suited to employee learning needs, rather than merely being a tick-off item on to-do list. Second question, explain the difference between quality planning, quality assurance, and quality control. How do they work together in a project? So the three elements of quality management, quality planning, assurance, and control, work together to ensure quality. Quality planning is done upfront to determine the standards, such as a target of 90% workshop satisfaction. Quality assurance then relates to the process, such as ensuring the training design compliance with the standard before it's going live. And quality control focus on the outcomes, such as surveying training participants to ensure quality standards were achieved. They work together in a cycle of planning, quality assurance, and quality control. Third question, how does the quality management contribute to employee satisfaction and organizational success? Give a HR practical related example. So, quality management helps an organization succeed by improving employee performance and ensuring HR projects contribute to the organization's strategy. When employees perceive the quality of HR project, such as a new performance appraisal system, as a reliable, equitable, and accurate, it increases the trust and loyalty. For instance, if an HR department checks for the accuracy of employee data and adherence to labor laws through quality assurance, it avoids legal and administrative problems. The stability and trust in the HR process support employee satisfaction, which makes the organization more efficient and effective. Fourth question, what tools and techniques can be used to ensure quality in HR projects? Explain how those tools help improve project outcomes. So, a range of tools and techniques can be applied to assess and enhance quality HR projects, from percentage of training success to satisfaction level of stakeholder. Methods such as a root cause analysis, fishbone diagram, can be used to determine the root cause of quality issues, and the flow charts can be used to map HR process. Those techniques enhance results by offering quantitative information, enabling project managers to pinpoint where a process is ongoing wrong, such as the distribution of seminar handout, and addressing the issue before it impacts the project quality. Fifth question, using the PDCA cycle or Plan, Do, Check, Act, explain how continuous improvement can be applied in HR project. Provide a simple scenario. So, the PDCA cycle or Plan, Do, Check, Act helps create a loop of continuous improvement for HR projects. For example, in a basic sample of improving a leadership seminar, the plan phase would be to determine the satisfaction was not high enough. The Do phase involves HR making a minor adjustment, such as switching to electronic handout to avoid delays. In the Check phase, HR assess the results from the following workshop to determine if the satisfaction increased. In the Act phase, HR document the use of digital materials as a best practice for future training. In conclusion, quality management plays a big role in making HR projects effective and reliable. By applying proper planning, assurance, and control, organization can deliver better service to employees. Using tool and continuous improvement methods like the PDCA cycle also help maintain high standards. That's all for our discussion. Thank you everyone for listening.